नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मैं सीमा सिंह आनंद ट्यूटोरियल में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। बच्चों, आज की पाठशाला में हम 2 से लेके 5 तक का टेबल पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है बच्चों, तो चलो हम अपनी पाठशाला शुरू करते हैं।
2 1s are 2,
2 1s are 2,
2 2s are 4,
2 2s are 4,
2 3s are 6,
2 3s are 6,
2 4s are 8,
2 4s are 8,
2 5s are 10,
2 5s are 10,
2 6s are 12,
2 6s are 12,
2 7s are 14,
2 7s are 14,
2 8s are 16,
2 8s are 16,
2 9s are 18,
2 9s are 18,
2 10s are 20,
2 10s are 20,
3 1s are 3,
3 1s are 3,
3 2s are 6,
3 2s are 6,
3 3s are 9,
3 3s are 9,
3 4s are 12,
3 4s are 12,
3 5s are 15,
3 5s are 15,
3 6s are 18,
3 6s are 18,
3 7s are 21,
3 7s are 21,
3 8s are 24,
3 8s are 24,
3 9s are 27,
3 9s are 27,
3 10s are 30,
3 10s are 30,
4 1s are 4,
4 1s are 4,
4 2s are 8,
4 2s are 8,
4 3s are 12,
4 3s are 12,
4 4s are 16,
4 4s are 16,
4 5s are 20,
4 5s are 20,
4 6s are 24,
4 6s are 24,
4 7s are 28,
4 7s are 28,
4 8s are 32,
4 8s are 32,
4 9s are 36,
4 9s are 36,
4 10s are 40,
4 10s are 40,
5 1s are 5,
5 1s are 5,
5 2s are 10,
5 2s are 10,
5 3s are 15,
5 3s are 15,
5 4s are 20,
5 4s are 20,
5 5s are 25,
5 5s are 25,
5 6 are 30,
5 6s are 30,
5 7s are 35,
5 7s are 35,
5 8s are 40,
5 8s are 40,
5 9s are 45,
5 9s are 45,
5 10s are 50,
5 10s are 50,